Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error, that is updates failed, and the error code is 0x8024000b. We could not complete the install because the update service was shutting down. So if you are receiving this error message while updating Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. So for this, open Windows 11 settings. So go to the start menu and then click on settings. You can also make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings. Then go to system and then scroll down, click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters and then click on Windows update. Click on run. So just click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, go ahead and restart your computer. So after the troubleshoot is complete, click on the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. And after the system restart, you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and restart Windows update and background intelligence service. So for this, type in services in start menu and then click on services. Scroll down and find Windows update in the list. So here you can see Windows update. Make a double click on Windows update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. So if it is set to disabled, go ahead and select automatic and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With Windows update selected over here, click on restart the service. And once this is done, find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now with this selected, click on restart. After this, you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 11 once again, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you're facing the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows Terminal Admin. Make sure that you're opening this as an admin. So click on Windows Terminal Admin, then click on yes to allow and paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now once this is complete, you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. Again, make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows Terminal Admin, then click on yes to allow and then copy the first command and paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the scan complete. So let the scan be 100% complete. Once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So copy this command this time. And once this scan is 100% complete, paste the second command. And once the second command is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.